Hey guys, I just want to touch base with everyone that's been following our channel and following along with everything we have going on. I've just been super busy with work, so I really haven't had a chance to make any YouTube videos or play with any of our projects right now. It's always a bummer when you have so much going on, but then you have to put your stuff on hold for real life. But I was just going to do a little walk around, talk about a couple of the little projects we have going on, and just keep you guys informed and up to date with what's happening around here. So here, check it out. All right, so on the Banshee, it's literally done, other than we had one bent brake rotor. So when we put everything back together, this was getting hung up on the caliper. So we went ahead and ordered a couple new rotors, and we're waiting on that. But as you can see, everything else is back together. Look at this little guy. He doesn't want me to do a video. He just wants me to pet him and snuggle him. All right, so yeah, like Jack over there. The Banshee's definitely freshened up. Nice freshly coated frame. New A-arms. All new bearings, bushings, brake pads, clutch, cables, lines. A couple of little parts to bling it up a little bit. What else? Everything's been rebuilt and as fresh as could be. We got new tires. The back tires we actually got right before we started to do all this. The front tires are over there, they're new. We're going to order a new set of rims, but we just have so many things going on. It's snowing. That's not good. This time of year I start to get really busy with work as the weather starts to break, so unfortunately, as excited as we get about all these projects, they have to get put on hold so we can actually make money and keep everything going. Look out the window here. Jack said it's snowing. I don't see anything snowing. I hear it hitting the roof of the garage. It's more like a sleet. Anyway, Banshee update. We're going to do a video on that. But here's the real thing that we've been working on. This popped up and I couldn't turn it down. It's a Yz250 with a GSXR 750 motor crammed into it. Just going to pan the camera around. You guys can take a look at what's going on here. This little kitty cat. It's crazy. Pushing into the mint, bumping into the mint, Daisy. All right. Whoever did this build, they did a really good job. The guy was a hill climber, evidently, and had it built for hill climbing. The guy I bought it from was going to do dirt drags with it. Here's the seat cover, or seat rather. The guy I bought it from he did a couple drag races on it, and I don't know, it was just so much bike. He said it was just almost too much to handle. It's got a custom-made 56-tooth sprocket. One of these days I was thinking about extending the swing arm all the way out to see what that feels like. Got the battery charging. It's got a few little demons, I guess you could say, that we're trying to figure out and get worked out. Now it's raining. So I don't know a whole lot about these motors, but evidently the stator is disconnected. Evidently you can run it without a stator. It makes it lighter for if you're just doing short runs and you're not worried about keeping your battery charged. So we didn't know that, so the battery doesn't really hold a charge. So we ordered a stator and a rectifier. We're waiting for that to get here. In the meantime, we're just charging the battery up. It's got a lithium battery in there, so I have a special charger for that. And she's so pretty, I can't stop looking at it. And then the RD is still going on. I ended up ordering some really cool tires for it, but they took forever to get here. So I'm just waiting on the tire. The tires actually just came in, but then I needed to get tubes and the valve stems and the tubes needed to be really long to reach out. It was just one thing after another with this. So as soon as the tires are finished, this will be going back together. You're fine. I'm just doing a quick little video. And then this guy is driving us absolutely nuts, just not having any spark for some reason, and we cannot figure out why.
It's running perfectly fine, rode it around. It was raining for a couple days, so we didn't ride it. And then no spark.
So, I'm not sure what's going on with that. And then we have one more new bike over here. It's really funny. This guy. Look at those forks. Look at that headlight. Now wait till you see the best part. Wait till you see this gas tank. Let me get over here. Look at that gas tank. We have the original gas tank. It's sitting over there. I just haven't put it on yet. This is your new bike, right, Jack? This KE with the little gas tank?
Weirdest part about that one is neutral's all the way down.
Oh yeah, it's really weird when you're riding it and the neutral's not where you're used to it being. And then one more thing, one more little update. There's one thing missing from in here, and that is the CT70. We decided to part with that and decided that we didn't feel like restoring a CT70, so we sold it. That's basically just a quick little update, just so I stay relevant. Figured I better do something.